valve. Anti-drain back. Oh my goodness. Anti-drain back valve. Anti-drain back valve. Anti-drain back valve. Hey bud, it's Cars Are Friends. So as I was taking apart this Purelator Gold or Purelator 20,000 miles, I had the realization what this is. It's an anti-drain back valve. So that means with this sitting here, as the fresh oil is being pumped through here, it's getting filtered. Now I took out the filter media because I just don't like the smell of it. I don't know what it is, but it's getting filtered through through the media, and then it's getting sucked up through the middle like a straw. So that's the reason why it's important to pre-fill your filters, because as you screw this on and it's empty, it's looking for something to suck up. So you have a brief moment of just this dry run of oil. As I'm looking at this, I realize you could pre-fill your oil regardless of the orientation and which way it loads. So if it loads underneath, upright like this, you could pre-fill it. But what if it's sideways? Or what if it's upside down? So I built a little something something. I just had a little experimentation. So if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. If you have any comments or any feedback, it's greatly appreciated. This is something I usually don't do, but it was one of those weird eureka moments. And yeah, I just wanted to share it. I did some little arts and crafts, and I picked this up from Walmart, a large measuring cup. And then I got two 1 quart measuring cups, and then I picked up these two 3 1/4 size bolts. These are somewhat close to what an oil filter is taken, or the threads of an oil filter. The reason why it's this kind of configuration is that I want to pre-fill an oil filter, and then I'm going to load it into this thread here, like like you're threading it into any motor, and see if it spills. And then the one on top is just the same thing. First up will be the SuperTech. All right, so we got a better view. All right, I'm gonna pre-fill it some more. Okay, so here we are, pre-filled, and let's side load it. 1, 2, and 3. And there you go. All right, question number 2. With it completely filled, will it spill? Be quick. Look at that. All right. Again, what fell there is just a little bit of residual, but yeah, the anti-drain back valve is doing its job. It's not letting any of the oil come out. So if we back this out a bit, there you go. All right, now I'm in a mess. Thank you for joining me today, and I thank you for watching the rest of the video. Have a good one. Bye. All right, time for cleanup. Look at the mess I made. Look at all that oil that's been collected. Look at that. You see that? You see all that oil? You see that? Look at that.
Oh, would you look at that?
Look at that oil. Look at that oil. Just look at that.